Your equipment is more than a purchase. It's a commitment to a breakthrough, a therapeutic innovation, a healthier world. At Cytiva, it is the beginning of our commitment to provide support over the life cycle of your equipment. From your first conversation with a sales team member to maintenance, repair, and upgrades. Our service solutions aim to make the most of your time and investment. And when it is time to retire your system, you have options to donate or recycle it through us. Some call it cradle to grave. We like to say birth to rebirth. Cytiva's Equipment Service Solutions. With you for the life cycle.